Innovation Lifan, quality Lifan. 20 years worth of hard work has gained 20 years of glory. Chongqing Lifan Holdings Limited Corporation is a large private enterprise mainly engaged in scientific research and development, manufacturing and marketing of engine, general power equipment, motorcycle and automobile, integrated with financial instrument, real estate. By now, Lifan owns more than 15,600 staff and has been continuously listed in China top 500 enterprises for 10 times and has been number 1 in Chongqing exportation for years. Strong winds help the sail on a boat. Lifan Industry Limited Corporation has got the opportunity to glorify the China's industry by developing its national brand. In 2012, Lifan Holdings Limited Corporation achieved 22.088 billion RMB of sales income, including production and sales of 320,000 units of cars, 1.5514 million units of motorcycles, 3.4779 million units of engines, 412.5 thousand units of general power equipment, and $582 million of export. With various index in the leading position nationwide, Lifan becomes the big taxpayer among Chongqing private enterprises. On November 25, 2010, the subsidiary company Lifan Industry Limited Corporation Group was successfully listed in Shanghai Stock Exchange, being the first private enterprise of passenger vehicle to be listed in China A-share. Lifan Motors is the fresh blood of Chinese national automotive industry. In January 2006, the first Lifan 520 made the global synchronous listed, symbolizing the formal presence of Lifan in the automotive industry. After 7 years of continuous efforts, Lifan has laid a solid foundation for the research and development of passenger cars, improvement of technology and supplying system, and the layout of the sales network as well. Lifan vehicles have been able to cover the market in the mainstream market of 1.8-liter passenger vehicles and below. Currently, Lifan Motors has successfully launched a variety of models such as 520, 520i, 620, 320, X60, 720, and minivan, etc. Lifan and the Chinese Academy of Sciences set up a joint venture, the Shanghai branch of the Lifan Electric Vehicle Limited Corporation, which helped restructure and develop the Lifan 620 petrol cars with lithium battery-powered pure electric vehicles that were demonstrated at the 2010 Shanghai World Expo. In 2012, the battery-powered sedan LF7002 EV and LF7002 CEV have been selected as new resource vehicles in the allowance list and were on the market of Beijing, Shanghai, Chengdu, and etc. Lifan Motorcycle is the outstanding example of innovation in Chinese motorcycle industry. As a key high-tech enterprise national torch plant, Lifan is one of the first state-level technology centers of the private enterprises. At present, Lifan has the ability to produce the output of 2 million units of motorcycles and over 4 million motorcycle engines annually, of which the production technology is the leading level in the industry field. Motorcycle engine products have comprehensive coverage of a 50 to 400 mm displacement range. Motorcycles have developed into 6 major product lines, which include curved beam motorcycles, riding cars, scooters, and the rough terrain vehicles, Prince cars, ATV, which fully meet the domestic and foreign market needs. Lifan has a global sales network, of which motorcycle products are exported to more than 113 countries and regions in Latin America, Africa, Asia, Europe, and other regions, ranking number 1 in the export in China motorcycle industry for years. As one of the earliest enterprises which developed in general-purpose gasoline engine business in China, Lifan successfully designed and developed a number of gasoline engines with complete independent intellectual property rights and their end products. In 2009, the company expanded its sites for general-purpose gasoline engine output, which has increased from 40 million to 100 million units. This greatly laid the solid foundation for general-purpose gasoline engine production. Lifan upholds innovation, export, and good reputation as its business purpose. It has always regarded the technological innovation as the impetus to the development of Lifan. Now, it has independent R&D center, a strong R&D strength, and improved technical innovation system. By December 2012, the total patent application of Lifan in over 24 countries and the European Union is up to 8,007, out of which 6,951 have been authorized, and 1,442 trademarks have been obtained in 131 countries and regions, as well as 104 trademark applications. As a private company, Lifan has attached great importance from the leaders of the Communist Party and from the Chinese government. Chairman of the board, Im Mingshan, received a lot of respect from the leaders of the Communist Party and from the Chinese government. Remember your origin after becoming rich and seek further progress in the midst of prosperity. By December 2011, Lifan donated to the society a total of 190 million RMB and has built 104 Lifan Guangcai schools. Lifan laid the foundation in Chongqing and put forward to the world. Lifan will increase investment in power technology, strengthen core technology, adhere to their own brands, independent R&D, and international strategy. Meanwhile, Lifan will focus on the global market industrial layout to achieve the domestic market and overseas markets going hand in hand, which build Lifan a large-scale self-supporting international enterprises. With strong technical strength, strong brand, unique core technology, full of dreams and hopes, Lifan is the selling in the capital markets, sharing the joy of growth and magnificent future with domestic investors. Lifan, you light up my hope.